Today we're going to talk about some cinnamon. Cinnamon on plants. Now, why cinnamon? Cinnamon smells good. Tastes good. But what else? What else can we do with cinnamon? Hey Google, what's the health benefits of cinnamon?
On the website healthline.com, they say, at the end of the day, cinnamon is one of the most delicious and healthiest spices on the planet. It can lower blood sugar levels, reduce heart disease risk factors, and has a plethora of other impressive health benefits.
Well, hey Google, where does cinnamon come from?
Sri Lanka. Here's a summary from the website huffpost.com.
Just Sri Lanka?
Most of the world's Ceylon cinnamon comes from Sri Lanka. By most, we mean up to 80 to 90%. Cassia cinnamon mainly comes from Indonesia.
Comes from Indonesia. Hey Google, does cinnamon come from a tree?
Here's a summary from the website smithsonianbag.com. Watch as the inner bark from cinnamon trees is cut and stripped down to create the spice.
Cinnamon bark.
Most of so-called true cinnamon or Ceylon cinnamon comes from Cinnamomum verum trees grown in Sri Lanka.
I said that before. Hey Google, is cinnamon an antifungal?
On the website beacon.ea.com, they say, research over the past few years has tested it against several types of Candida, including Candida albicans. Those research studies have shown that cinnamon has powerful antifungal properties.
Hey Google, can you put cinnamon on plants? Let's try it again. Hey Google, can you put cinnamon on plants?
On the website gardeningknowhow.com, they say, pour a spoonful onto a paper towel and roll damp stem ends into cinnamon. Plant the stems in fresh potting soil. The cinnamon will encourage the stem to produce more stems while helping to prevent the fungus that causes damping off disease.
Interesting. Very interesting. Hey Google, thanks for all your knowledge and everything that you bring.
You're welcome.
But anyway, just having some fun. We're going to be putting cinnamon on our plants in the dirt, around the soil, very lightly, just to prevent any fungus from accumulating on the soil. And it smells good. You know how cinnamon smells. So this is what we're going to do today. We're just going to be putting some cinnamon in the dirt, making our plants smell good. And they already look good. Look at this calphia right there. It's so beautiful. Look at the pot. I'm so proud of myself. Look at that. That is a beautiful plant. It is growing for me. They say calphias are pretty hard to grow, but you see the pattern on the leaves, like the pattern is just off the hook. I mean, it's a small plant, but it's going to get a little bigger, but I think it's dope. I think it's a nice pattern, and you know, that's just what I'm looking for when I'm looking at my plants. I'm not big into flowers. I just like the structure, especially the pencil plant. That was the first thing that caught my eye when I saw it on Pinterest. I was like, I gotta get that, and I got it. But went off on a tangent. I'm gonna show you how to put cinnamon on your plants, and it already smells good. I think it's Google said it comes from Indonesia. So what I do is I take my brush, my makeup distribution brush, tap it lightly, get it coated with the cinnamon, as you see here, and then have Pretty Calthea. I didn't name it. I ain't name it, but take the Calthea and I just tap it on the edge. Dip again, very lightly. And deposit the cinnamon on the soil, layered very lightly. I don't know if you can see what that looks like. And the plant smells good. It smells like cinnamon up in here. It's better than walking in the house and you got cinnamon in the air and you're like, what's that cooking? No, it's my plants. My plants smell good. When you come to Gerard's Horticulture, plants look and smell good. And they give off oxygen for you to live and to clean the air. They do multiple things, but that's what's going on. Just want to give you an update also. My matter of fact, Aliyah saw some these haven't perked up yet, so I'm trying to rotate it at the top to make the stem go straight up. It's kind of curving a little bit, so I gotta make sure I turn it this way. But we got some pups. I don't know if you can see that. Can't see it. Another one over here. And on top is the on top of the soil is the diatomaceous earth pesticide. Well, it's a natural pesticide. You can watch the video and see how I applied that and see why I put it up there. But the pups are going pretty well. I have about 3. I'll do a video on how to take them off. She's looking stunning, or he, or whatever it is. Nice. But that's the main concern. I just wanted to let you know about the cinnamon and how to put it on your plants and the benefits of putting cinnamon on your plants. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and watch the rest of my videos and keep growing.